Good morning, students. This is your mathematics class. Today, we are going to study Unit 13 measurement. Under that, conversion unit of length. Under conversion unit of length, this is your exercise 13.2. You have to write in the copy exercise 13.2. Under that, we are going to learn changing into higher denomination, that is page number 141. This heading you have to write in the copy, changing into higher denomination, page number 141. So children, in my previous video I have taught you to change higher units into lower units. What are the higher units here? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter. Basic unit is meter, that is also called as standard unit. Decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, that are the units. Okay, and when we move from, this is the higher unit, kilometer to hecto to deca to basic unit, that is meter, meter to deci to centi to milli. So this changing, this conversion is said to be conversion of higher to lower, that we have done in the last class. And we have also learned that when we are moving from one unit to another, it means we are multiplying 10. We are multiplying by 10. Okay, we are adding 10. Now next, today we are going to learn conversion of lower unit into higher unit. Conversion of lower unit into higher unit. When we are converting lower unit to higher unit, we move from our right hand side. We move from our right hand side, and there we are dividing by 10. Each unit we are dividing by 10. Okay, so like from milli, we are converting from milli to centi, centi to deci, deci to meter, meter to decameter, deca to hectometer, and then kilometer. This table is very important, as I have told you in my previous video. So all of you learn, children, kilo, hecto, deca. Kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, milli. Kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, milli. Okay, this is our table, and always we have to follow these rules, that 10 we are dividing or 10 we are multiplying. If we are going from higher to lower, it means we are multiplying. When we are moving from lower to higher, it means we are dividing. Okay, now here is your exercise. This changing into higher denomination, this heading you have to write in the copy. This I am showing you example and going to explain you, but what the exercise is given below, that you have to do. Convert 7300 meter into kilometer. 7300 meter into kilometer you have to convert. 7300 meter, that is given in the question, okay, equals to, now you have to expand this number. 7300 meter you have to write in expanded form. So how will you write in expanded form, children? 7000 plus 300, because unit is meter, so you have to add m there, meter plus 300 meter. Now 7000 multiply 1 by 1000. Why 1 by 1000? Because you know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So this is as this meter, so 7000. Where will you write 7? As I have taught you, children, because that is 7000, okay, that you have to write below meter only, because meter similar units you have to write each other. It means that what we are doing, it means if it is written upon, it means we are dividing, so it can be also written as 7000 multiply 1 by 1000. 7000 multiply 1 by 1000. This 7000 is in meter. Now you have to change this 7,000 in kilometer. For changing that 7,000 in kilometer, we have to divide it by 1000. Now 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000, 1000 sevens are 7000. Okay, and this 300 meter, that is in meter, and it is smaller than 1000, so we cannot convert it. So our answer is 7 multiply 1 is 7. So 7 kilometer and 300 meter, right? Now see your answer. 7 kilometer plus 300 meter. So because you have to convert that in as it is asked in the question to change into kilometer. So we have changed 7,000 meter in kilometer. We got 7 kilometer, and 300 is less than 1000. That's why we cannot change. So it will be as it is, right? Now look at the question 2. That is model 2. It is given as example. That you don't have to do. You have to understand what the exercise is given, that you have to do. Convert 235 centimeter into higher denomination. Higher denomination means that the units which are higher than centimeter. What are the units higher than centimeter? As we have learnt the table, first is kilometer. First is kilometer. Then hectometer. Then decameter. DECA, decameter. After that meter. Then after meter what is there? Decimeter. Decimeter. Then centimeter, and at last millimeter. Okay, millimeter. Now you have to convert this 235 into higher. Higher means after centimeter what comes, children? Decimeter, then meter. Okay, you have to come to the basic unit. Basic unit means standard unit. So how many times? 110 from centimeter to decimeter 110, and decimeter to meter 210. So here it is done. See, 10. We are dividing 10 by 10, 235. How to divide? 235 divided by 10. 10 twos are 20. Now 3 and 5 you have to bring down. 10 3s are 30. So the unit next to centimeter is decimeter. So this 23 we got as decimeter, DM. 23 is decimeter. 5 is left, so it is 5 centimeter. Now again divide this 23 by 10. Again you have to divide 23 by this 10. Okay. Now again if we are dividing, we will get 23. This is your rough work, children. Okay. 10. 10 twos are 20. Now what is left? 3 is left. So what is the unit after deci? That is meter. So 2 meter. Then what is left? 3 decimeter and 5 centimeter will be your answer. Now we have converted 235 centimeters into which higher denominations, higher units. Okay. Now I am showing you another example. Along with this, you can take out your book page also. This is convert 9735 meters into higher denominations. So meter. What are the higher denominations of meter? Like meter, according to our table, meter is in between. So before meter, what is there, children? Before meter is decameter, then hectometer, then kilometer. So how many units we are moving from meter? 1, 110, 210, 3 tens we are moving. Now let's see example how it is done. See, 10 divided by 9735. Now 10 nines are 90. That's why 9 is here. Okay, this you can understand in this way. 9735. 10 nines are 90. Now 7 is left. Okay, you have to bring down 3. 10 sevens are 70. Now 3 is left. You have to bring down 5. 10 3s are 30. So 975. 973. 973. What units were there? After meter, what comes? Decameter. So 973 decameter, then 5 meter. Okay, again you have to divide this 973. So you will get, after decameter, what is there? Hectometer. 997 hectometer, and 3 is decameter. Now again this hectometer you have to convert in kilometer according to our table. Now 97 is converted in kilometer. So 9 kilometer, then 7 decameter, and 3 is 9 kilometer, 7 hectometer, 3 decameter, and 5 meter. You will get as your answer, that we have converted each unit into higher units. Okay, this is over. Now this page is over. So here these examples I have explained you. Now below that your book exercise is given. This is your book exercise, that you have to this 3250 meter into kilometer you have to change. So how will you change 3250? First you have to write in the expanded form. How to write in expanded form? First you have to write solution in copy. Write the question 1 solution. Then what is the solution? First you have to write in expanded form. 3250 means 3000 plus 3000 meter plus 250 meter. Okay, now after writing this, what you have to do? Put equals to 3000. As you have to change meter into kilometer, so you have to multiply by 1 by 1000. It means we are dividing 3000 by 1000, plus 250 is smaller than 1000. That's why it will remain as it is. Then equals to 1000 3s are 3000. So 3 kilometer and 250 meter is the answer. This way you have to complete all the questions given in the first question. Convert 1. Now question 2. Change into higher denomination. Now 623 centimeter is given. This is question number 2. (623 centimeter), that you have to change in higher denomination. So according to our table, children, millimeter is the lowest. Millimeter is the lowest unit. After millimeter, what is that? Centimeter. After centimeter is decimeter, then meter. Okay, so 623 centimeter is there. So after centimeter what comes? Decimeter, then meter. Okay, now you have to convert. It means we have to divide. In this way, you have to write solution. Easily you can do. You can write in this way also 6 meter, 2 decimeter and 3 centimeter. But how we got this? It means that we are dividing 623 by 10. 10 6 are 60. So you got 60 decimeter and 3 is centimeter. Again divide it. Now 60, that you have to decimeter, you have to convert in meters. So 10 6 are 66 meter. Then 2 is what? 2 is left here, no? 10 6 are 60. Then 2 will be 62 decimeter. Okay, then 62 again you have to divide. So 10 6 are 66 meter, 2 decimeter and 3 centimeter. This answer you will get. Right, children? Now these two questions are over. Remaining you have to try to do yourself. If you doubt, you can ask. And now come to the next page of your book. Here the questions are, these are word problems. Listen carefully. Question 1. The length of each side of a classroom is: east side 10 meter 50 centimeter, west side 11 meter 80 centimeter, south side 12 meter 75 centimeter, north side 11 meter 60 centimeter. What is the total length of four sides of the classroom? So how you have to write? First of all, you write the question in the copy and write solution. What is the solution? Because we are measuring length here, so your step starts like that. Length of a side, east side of a classroom. Length of east side of a classroom. First step you have to write, length of east side of classroom equals to 10 meter 50 centimeter. Now length of west side of classroom equals to 11 meter 80 centimeter. Length of south side of classroom equals to 12 meter 75 meter. Length of north side of classroom 11 meter 60 centimeter. This gap should be given in your answer also. Solution, when you are solving, this gap should be there. Okay, don't write very close. Then add all centimeters. What is the last line? Total length of four sides. Total length of four sides of the classroom. Add this side also. If carry is there, you have to carry in meter. Right, children? That will be the total length of the classroom. Question 2. A school bought 500 meter 75 centimeter of cloth for preparing students' uniform. It distributed 475 meter 38 centimeter of cloth to the economically backward students. How much cloth was left behind in the school? So how to do? Solution. Length of the cloth bought for preparing students' uniform. Listen carefully. Length of the cloth bought for preparing students' uniform equals to 5 meter. Give gap of 1 finger and write 75 centimeter. Now length of the cloth distributed. Just write length of the cloth distributed. Second step. 475 meter and 38 centimeter. Third step, third line. What is it asked? How much cloth was left? So length of the cloth left, that you have to subtract centimeter minus centimeter, meter minus meter. That will be your answer. Third,